Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to our second class with me, Mr. Jamil. And for today's lesson, we are going to focus on reading skills 3.2.1. Understand the main idea of simple text of 2 paragraphs or more. And also writing skills 4.3.1. Use capital letters, full stops, commas in lists, and question marks appropriately in independent writing at this course level. Okay, so without further ado, for this lesson, we will be using your textbook. Now, if you are ready with the textbook, I need you to turn to page 14. Page 14. Okay, so for page 14, we are going to read a short, simple text here. Okay, I want you to read with me. Ready? City on the sea. Imagine a 5-star hotel with fantastic food and comfortable rooms. Imagine your favorite places in a city, a square, shops, cinemas, and theaters. Imagine a holiday next to the sea. Imagine all of these things on one very big ship, Oasis of the Seas. More than 2,000 people from 80 countries work on Oasis of the Seas, and there are cabins for 6,360 passengers. That's a lot of people, and they eat a lot of food in the ship's 20 cafes and restaurants. In 1 week, the 250 chefs prepare 250,000 meals. The ship has got the exciting part of a city without any horrible office buildings or cars. It's the first ship with a park. It's called Central Park, and it's got 50 real trees and 12,000 plants. If you like sport, there are also 5 swimming pools, and there's an exciting sports area with a climbing wall. If you prefer reading, there's a library. But relax, there isn't a school on the ship. Okay, so for our next lesson, what I want you to do is look at the words in blue: fantastic, comfortable, cabins, passengers, chefs, exciting, horrible. Okay, the other two, we just skip it. We just skip them. We don't want them for this lesson. Okay, so there are 7 words here written in blue. So what I want you to do now is to locate the meaning of these words in your dictionary. Okay, use your dictionary. Now, if you have no dictionary with you, you can use any dictionary from the internet, as long as you got the meaning. Okay, so now if you have dictionary at home, I will show you how to use your dictionary to locate the meaning. For example, number 1, fantastic. So we look at the first 3 letters, F-A-N. So we use our dictionary here to find F-A-N. Okay, we have F. Okay, so F. Okay, so we go up to the top here. This one is F-A-I, but what we want here is F-A-N. Okay, so we move here. Now we have F-A-N. Okay, so we jump down. Okay, so fantastic is not in this page. So we move here. This one is still F-A-N. Okay, F-A-N. But this one is already F-A-S. So the word we are looking for must be in this area. Okay, so we go one by one. fanatic, okay, fancier, fanciful, fancy, fantasia, okay, fantastic. So we have the meaning here. Okay, the meaning is ganjil, aneh, bersifat khayalan, and it's on page number 158. Okay, so the same method is also used for the next word. What we want to do with our dictionary is to first locate the first three letters and find the first three letters on top here, the entry point and the exit point in our dictionary. Okay, now moving on to our next lesson. Okay, now for number 1 here is just the same like the lesson we did last week. There is, there isn't, they are, they aren't. Okay, there is maksudnya ada, there isn't maksudnya tak ada. So how to know which one to use, there is or there are? We look at the nouns. Kalau singular kita pakai is, kalau plural kita gunakan are. Okay, so now look at number 1. Blank, they are school on the ship. So the noun in this question is school. Okay, the noun in the question is school. So school here is singular. Macam mana kita kenal singular? Kalau tak ada s tu singular lah. Kalau ada s tu maknanya plural. Okay, so they blank, they a school on the ship. Okay, so ada ke tak ada sekolah di atas kapal tu? Okay, so tadi dah baca as we have read here, this one, there isn't a school on the ship. So maknanya tak ada sekolah di atas kapal tu. So number 1, the answer is B. Okay, same goes to number 2. The noun here is swimming pools. So ada s kat sini. S means plural. So yes they are, ada. No they aren't, tak ada. How many cafes? How many means berapa? Banyak. How many cafes and restaurants blank are on the ship? Okay, so cafes as, restaurants as. Singular or plural? Okay, so how many? Berapa banyak? So we need numbers to answer. Okay, so write down this question in your writing in your exercise book. Write down question 1, question 2, and question 3. Please write down neatly and make sure kemas lah, tidy. Okay, and then we're going to this exercise number 3. Match 1 until number 6 with A until F. Okay, 1 until number 6 and A until F to make questions, untuk membina soalan. Then write answers based on your own town or city. So we are in Kluang. Okay, for example, we match this and this to make a question. For example, are they, number 2, are they sports center? Okay, so in Kluang, do we have sports center? Ada. Kalau ada, okay, we have here singular or plural here? Sports. Okay, are. So plural. The answer is yes, they are. Kalau ada lah. Okay, kalau tak ada, no, they aren't. Okay, so mana satu? Okay, yes they are or no they aren't. Okay, so you do this from number 1 until number 6. Also write down in your exercise book and make sure your handwriting are neat. Okay, your handwritings are neat. Okay.